If peace could move and craftsmanship could travel, it would take the shape of the 2026 Lexus Motorhome, where Japanese precision meets boundless freedom. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, one that brings Lexus luxury to the open road. From the very first glance, the 2026 Lexus Motorhome captivates with its effortless beauty. The design carries Lexus's signature aesthetic, bold, graceful, and unmistakably refined. The reimagined spindle grille flows seamlessly into adaptive LED headlamps, while sculpted lines guide the eye across an aerodynamic body that balances elegance with efficiency. The panoramic windshield and flowing roofline create a sense of motion even at rest. The aluminum composite panels keep it lightweight yet strong, and the integrated chrome accents give it a quiet, confident presence. Along the sides, flush door handles, hidden storage compartments, and roof-mounted solar panels add practicality without disrupting the clean design. Even the taillights, a continuous LED strip, express the harmony between art and technology. Step inside, and the Lexus Motorhome greets you with the serenity of true omotenashi, the Japanese philosophy of hospitality and attention to detail. The cabin feels like a sanctuary, filled with soft light, natural textures, and quiet confidence. Every inch is crafted with precision, from the hand-stitched leather seats to the open-pore wood accents that breathe warmth into the space. The front captain's chairs swivel to face an inviting lounge area, complete with a retractable glass dining table and modular seating. The fully equipped kitchen integrates seamlessly into the design, offering induction cooktops, a smart refrigerator, and motion-sensing drawers that open and close with a simple gesture. At the rear, the bedroom feels like a private retreat, featuring a full-size memory foam bed, ambient lighting, and panoramic windows that connect you to the world outside. The en-suite bathroom continues. Lexus's commitment to craftsmanship, offering a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and minimalist chrome fixtures, every detail refined to perfection. Performance is where Lexus's engineering mastery truly shines. The 2026 Lexus Motorhome is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbo hybrid V6 paired with dual electric motors, delivering over 500 horsepower with silky smooth precision. The advanced Direct 4 all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension create an experience that's both commanding and serene. Whether gliding through city streets or traversing mountain roads, the ride remains whisper-quiet and impeccably composed. Multiple drive modes, Eco, Comfort, and Sport, allow you to tailor every journey to your mood. Regenerative braking and solar-assisted charging extend the range to an impressive 850 kilometers on a full charge and tank. Inside, Lexus's renowned quiet cabin technology ensures near-silent travel, allowing you to hear nothing but calm. Technology flows naturally throughout the interior. A voice-activated AI concierge learns your habits, adjusting temperature, lighting, and entertainment automatically. The infotainment system blends seamlessly into the dashboard with a holographic display, while wireless charging, Wi-Fi connectivity, and ambient soundscapes enhance the travel experience. As for pricing, the 2026 Lexus Motorhome begins around $210,000, with the flagship luxury executive edition reaching up to $275,000. It's designed for those who seek serenity without compromise, a balance of innovation, elegance, and purpose. The 2026 Lexus Motorhome isn't just about getting somewhere. It's about the way you feel while getting there. Every journey becomes a meditation in motion, every destination a moment of calm discovery. The 2026 Lexus Motorhome, engineered for serenity, crafted for the road, and built for those who believe that luxury isn't loud, it's felt.